Hello everyone, I'm Devarshi. On behalf of KIIT ASC Student Chapter, I'm going to share with you how you can register as an official member of ASC, an official student member to be more precise. Because there are two different kinds of membership, one is professional and one is student membership. So, as you are a student, so you can register as an official student member, but one thing you need to know before you register that your university must come under officially registered student chapter of ASC. In India, there are around 24 different chapters in different universities, and KIIT University is one of them. So, if you are a student of KIIT University or any of the other 24 universities, you can follow this same procedure to register yourself as an official ASC student member. So let's get started. So first, all you need to do is search ASC on Google, and it will redirect you to this page where you need to click on this first link where it is mentioned www.asc.org. Click on this link, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the official ASC page, which looks something like this. And then you need to click on join on the top tab, and then click on join now. Then another tab will open where you need to fill all your personal details. So first you need to enter the email address that you'll be using. So I'll prefer you not to use any institutional email ID, because you will also carry forward this membership after you graduating from your college. So put an official mail ID or a personal mail ID basically. So then click on continue, and in this next page you need to enter all your personal details basically. So email location, let it be home or work. In our case, I'm considering home. You need to fill all these red star mark fields at least, and you can also fill other details, but those are not necessary. At least you need to enter this. In my case, I'm taking my example, so I'm putting all my personal details. Then you need to change this country to India. Address type home, I'll be using my own address. You can use yours as well. So let's say I'm taking this example of our hostel, and then comes this phone number. And don't panic, because many of the people generally get panicked seeing this kind of phone number format, because this is not a very regular format we use in India. But in my case, I'm gonna tell you how you can use this. So simply you need to enter the phone number. The first four digits will automatically be filled in this first box, and the rest of the six digits will be automatically filled in this box. And don't worry about the rest, just simply fill the 10-digit mobile phone number of yours. Okay. And also you need to select the suburb. In my case, let's say I'm considering Odisha. Then you need to create a password, reconfirm it, then check this box and click on next. After you click on next, you'll be redirected to this page where it will ask whether you want to register yourself as a professional member or as a student member. Obviously, in our case, we'll select the student membership because we are not a licensed professional. This professional membership is for the licensed fees only. So we'll click on student membership. Then you need to fill these details. So click on edit and put your birthday. I'm taking a random example. I'm not that old. let's say the job title as student and save. You need to also, this is very important step, you need to fill this educational background, because this is the step where you will feel that you are a student of KIIT University chapter, and that only you will get the free access, because our university is already paying for the annual fees. So you will get a free access to ASC student membership, or else you need to pay for it. So you need to fill this educational information. So simply click on add new educational background and then select your country, in our case India, and select the server. I'm selecting, and obviously this is not your home address, this is your college address basically. That's why you need to fill it as Odisha and keep the city as Bhubaneswar and school name as KIIT University. And then you need to click on find school, because it will automatically search for the school in ASC's database, and it will show the name that is already registered under ASC, that is KIT University, KIT Road, Patia, Bhubaneswar. Then you click on continue. As you can see, ASC has already detected KIT University as a university, and you can also select the degree. I'm gonna select Bachelor of Civil Engineering, and the graduation date you need to fill the date when you'll be passing out from your college. So in my case, let's say as our semester falls on April, so I'll fill it as maybe June, okay, and also not 2020, let's say in my case 2021. Yeah, 2021 June. Okay, then you can select a random date. Basically just fill the year properly, on which year you are going to pass out, and also put a date and let it be in the month of June, any date. Then click on save. So once you are done with this, it will show something like this: graduation date and school name, KIT University. This is very important. You need to fill this part. Then click on next. So as you can see, as I have already mentioned that I'm a student of KIIT University, it is showing as your membership is 1 year free, because our university or our department is already paying the annual fees. That's why it is showing as 1 year free. Or else if you skip that part and don't fill your university name, here a certain $100 amount will show. So you need to check for that. So, and also cross check whether it is showing as Indian section Eastern region, because our college falls into the eastern part of India and it comes under the Indian section. And simply, as you can see, the total amount is showing as free. And simply click on next. And in the next page, as you can see, there are certain subscription options. No need to check all this, or else you have to pay this certain amount. For example, if you want to subscribe to Architectural Engineering Institute membership, you need to pay $30 and you can check that. But in our case, we are not willing to take another different kind of membership. We are simply going for the ASC student membership. That's why we'll simply skip this part and no need to check all this. Then click on this is already checked. I do not wish to contribute at this time. Simply click on sign me up. And in the next page, as you can see, your details will be showing right here, and also you can see the total amount will be shown as free. Then only you can proceed, or else you have to pay the amount if you have checked any of those fields earlier. and click on this. Obviously I'm not a robot. Then click on submit. And as you can see, I have already registered as an AAC Society student membership, and you can see this. And let's simply you can print this or take a screenshot of this particular page, or you can email it. I think already it will be our email will be shared to you. The email ID that you have entered, you will receive an email regarding this membership. And you can also click on this to see the dues. And yeah, this is your reference number. That means this is the number of your AAC official membership. So take a note down this particular reference number. This is your membership ID, as you can say also. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can become an official member of AAC.